APLD stock, ladies and gentlemen, it's possible that this could be the time that we finally get that big break at above $42. APLD breaks above 42, and you better believe that this will go to 50, 60, and possibly 100. I don't know if it'll do 100 in this bull run, but what we do know is that in the previous bull run, it ran from $3 to $42. So that's a nice, what, 14x right there, from low to high at least. So in this bull run, what would we expect? I mean, I would expect 20 to 50 minimum, and then 20 to 100. We'll see if that happens, but it's at a big level. Nothing is for certain yet. It's still early in the day. APLD has to get above 42 and hold up above it, and it would look bullish. Last time we came up here on a green candle, we got pushed down the next day. As you can see, nice big green candle. Whoa, new highs. And then, yeah, it just sold off like crazy. So, yeah, I told you guys, and this has been happening on the markets, on a lot of stocks. We go to the top of a range, we break out, and the stock just kabooms. It just explodes to new highs. AMD did that recently, right? So that's kind of what we're looking for here. We're looking for that massive explosion above that range. You can see here on AMD, once it broke out of that range here, it was stuck in a range at a high of 262. It finally broke 262, and now it went to a high of 430. So it just comes to show you, like, when you break out of these ranges, man, watch out. Watch out. Like, you better watch out, because it can go. So do I expect APOD to make that kind of move? I don't know if it's going to go to 400, but I can definitely see it going to 100. But and who knows if this is going to be the time it breaks it out. Maybe we go back to 20s, and then come up again, and then on the what, fourth try, we finally, fourth try is the charm, I guess. We finally break out. We'll see what's going to play out. So as you can see right now, it's going to be a battle here. It's just hovering here at 41 to 42. We can even go to the 3-minute time frame, and you can see very clearly, right? Came up here, sold off, came up here, and let's see if we finally get the big breakout. If not, we would just sell off. The best thing that can happen is we get the breakout. Worst thing that can happen is nothing. That would be the worst, which is still a win anyways, right? If it does nothing. Worst case scenario, we come down back to 20s, or in our case, that would be a win, because we would want to buy it back down at 20s. I remember Joey Shaw telling me the other day, like, he could have bought APLD at 20s, but he was being a little puss ball, right? He was being a little meow meow, right? He was being a little bitch, as some people like to say, and he didn't buy, and so he just watched it go from 20 to 40, and he's kicking himself a little bit. So yeah, I don't know if it'll come back down to 20s. I don't believe so. We're in a bull market. We know that eventually in a bull market, stocks will break out and go higher. So I would not blame you for chasing if it does break above 42, because at that point it's just going to go bananas to 50 and possibly beyond. I don't know if it'll hit 100 in this bull run. If it does, then I guess I'm a magician. But there you go. Those are my thoughts on APLD and the current price action.